What a perfect day for jumping. No storms, no giant crocodiles, just ramps and fun. Maybe nobody can beat me at jumping. Huh? What was that? We're out of here. Daxty! Hey, Dyke! Rusty, as you were out here, you made it! Ready to jump some ramps together? Garby, what are you doing here? I saw those jumps. I thought about that, Titan, but I think I can jump. You better! Let's have a giant jump challenge! Challenge accepted! This ramp is huge! Watch this! I'm going even farther! Let's do it together! Woohoo! Here we go! Go! Whoa! Look at this place! Those ramps look bigger than I expected. This is awesome! Awesome for you, maybe! Come on, Garby! You wanted it, expect this! This is gonna be epic! Wait, are we really doing this right now? Okay, but if I crash, it's your fault! Round one, white star. Let's see. Race ramp! Whoa! This is easy! That was perfect! Whoa, 120 feet? Okay, my turn! You got this, Garby! Here I go! Race launch! New record! Titan Monster Truck! 120 feet! Not bad! I think that's gonna be hard to beat.
120 feet?
Nervous? And now, Garby's turn!
Whoa, wait! I'm not ready yet!
Here we go!
This is way higher than I thought!
Garby is airborne! Garby's turn! Okay, I can do this. No problem. Garby! You're already going! Why? This is the funniest jump ever! Whoa! I actually made it? Ooh. On 87 feet! Best, excellent, ready? You're a stuff of Garby! Calculating! That was hilarious! I do? That's no way! Maybe out of my mental! Okay, now it's getting serious. Okay. Wow. This ramp is insane. You ready for this, buddy? Ready? I'm a natural with this. Ready? I'm a natural, remember? Mega ramp challenges! Ready, Garby? It's easy free! You'll be doing! Full speed! We did it, Garby! Look at that view! Hold on tight, you run me Oh! What? Incredible! They're still flying! Oh, that's amazing! 190 feet! We did it! Spinning! I think I hit every hay bale! Best jump ever, buddy! Garby, are you okay? I think so.
Why is there hay in my windshield?
Okay, no I didn't. Oh, you. That was epic, buddy. I totally planned that hay landing. Next time I'll did best jump landing. Strict to let you? Maybe.